What happened, guys? Were you growling each other? Are you playing? Yeah, are you? You playing? What happened? You looking for mommy? Huh? Are you looking for mommy? Are you playing, guys? Look at the small one. Piccolo, he's a very small one. Brother and sister are huge. Look at that. They're so big. Look at that. Look at them. So big. Playing. Playing. They're playing. They're playing. Piccolo is so small. Very tiny one. It's funny. It's funny. The store playing. What happened? You still hungry there? Huh? What happened to you? Still hungry? Look at this too. Hey, playing. Look at them. So big. So cute. So cute. So cute. Barking. Why are you barking, huh? Why are you barking? Huh? Where are you going? Mommy's checking. Mommy's checking. Checking their puppy. Oh, get up. Piccolo is so small. Don't play with him too much. He's so small, okay? He's skinny one. Are you trying to escape? Go back. Go back to your cage. You cannot go outside. Stay there. Stay there, big boy. Stay there, big boy. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Stay. You want to escape in the gate. Ah. No, you can. You cannot go out. Stay there. Stay there, big boy. No, no, no. No. You're struggling yourself. No, stay there. Back. No. Stay with your brother and sister. It's giving up. Look at that. It's playing. Go back to sleep. I just fed you guys. Sleep now, okay? You better sleep. Sleep. You. Playing, still playing.